Hello everyone! This time I'm in a beautiful UNESCO site, Modica, in the southeast of Sicily. A beautiful medieval village, very famous in the world for the chocolate. Modica chocolate still respects the authentic recipe by the Aztecan people who settled in South America, in Mexico. And as you know, Sicily was under the Spanish domination over the centuries, in particular in the 1600s, and Spaniards brought this authentic recipe here to Sicily. We still enjoy the authentic Aztecan recipe. This funny and formative chocolate experience can be included in your tour of Sicily, regardless that you join one of our group tours of Sicily, named Sicily Lovers Tour. It will take place 3 times per year, or if you ask us to put together your custom private tour of Sicily, according to your needs and passion. We highly recommend you to include the chocolate experience in your tour of Sicily. You will have the opportunity to enjoy something delicious. A very skillful chocolate maker will teach you all the secret of Modica chocolate. Chocolate from Modica is not only delicious, it's very healthy. Feel free to contact us at info@bestthingstodoinsicily.com to book a custom private tour of Sicily, or check the availability of the Sicily Lovers Tour, our group tour reserved for around 20 people, visiting our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com. You will find all details of our tour. Regardless if you join a group tour or if you book a custom private tour, your tour will be optimized to maximize your leisure time and minimize your driving time. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Mwah!